Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a Chase Bank saving account. Let's get started. Open up the app. And if your goal is to open a new saving account, remember this is not mobile banking registration. This is creating an actual new bank account with Chase. At the bottom of your home screen, simply tap on open account right over here. And just like that, choose saving. Now once you tap onto it, the app will redirect you to your device browser. Once the page loads, you can pick the type of saving you want. For example, you might select Chase Saving. After that, tap on Open Now. And then Chase will then provide an online form for you to complete. You'll be asked to enter your personal details including your first name, your last name, your contact information, and identification details. Just fill out everything the form asks for. Once you complete the form and submit it, Chase will process your information. After that, your saving account will be successfully created. You can then continue with any additional setups inside the app if required. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.